Hi, my name is Salman Ameer, and in this video I will show you how to create a script that calculates values in After Effects. You can use and calculate the values of transform values and any values and make some certain calculation in After Effects. But also I am showing you if you don't have any type of editor for JavaScript like ExtendScript or any, so I'm showing you I haven't installed the script editor. So as you can see, I have showed the error, Adobe ExtendScript is not installed. So here I am showing you the two methods that you can I have these two softwares installed, Visual Studio 2012 and the brackets from Adobe. This is free software bracket and this one is from Microsoft. So let's take a look what the script does. So I am changing the value 1, entering some value like 6, and as you can see at the total the 6 is shown, and if I add in value 2 it calculates the value of value 1 and value 2 in real time, as you can see. So I'm closing the script and showing how to create a script without a script editor. So first create a new text file like in Notepad. But first you need to open your file explorer and go to view and check the file name extensions. So this will enable the extensions of the all files in Windows 10. So create a new text file in Notepad, text document, and as you can see at the end the .text extension is appeared. So I am renaming this Notepad to like calculate values tutorial. And then I am changing the extension of this file. So rename this and go to the end of this and change the extension .text to .jsx and hit yes for your dialog box. And now as you can see it's changed from text file to JSX JavaScript file. Now you can edit in bracket or Visual 2012. The bracket is free and the Visual Studio you need to get the membership from Microsoft. So I am using the Notepad for the as my editor. Choose another option, open with, and choose another option or file and select the Notepad and uncheck always use this app, and now the editor appeared. So we are starting our script from first creating the user interface, taking the variable main window to make like the UI user interface. So user interface which is equal to new window, and the new window type is a palette type of window. And the name for this is like calculate amount, and the size for this is undefined. And set the orientation of the script to orientation is equal to column, in double quotes column. Now we need to show the window, and then center the window. UI.center. Save the script by pressing Ctrl S. So I am running the script from the Adobe After Effects. Go to File, Script, and Run Script File, and then choose our Calculate Value tutorial. Open. And as you can see, our script is appeared, but it's very small because we didn't add any elements. Just we created a window. So we are good to go, and now comes a part to add some elements. So I'm taking the variable and title, which is equal to UI, adding into the UI add, and the title is a static text, so the element type is static text, and comma, and the size for this is no, we don't need to add any arguments. We will be adding here properties or anything. I'm taking a title.text, and the text will be, this title is calculate, and make sure you add the text into a string format. Now we need to run the script, and for the running the script recent file, so Control Shift Alt and D to run the recent script that you loaded into After Effects. So we are good to go, and the calculate text is appeared. Now we need to add some group. So group 1, and adding this into a UI.add, and the type of this element is group. And the size for this is undefined, so it will be automatically resized. And taking the group 1 and set the orientation of this group to row this time, because we are adding two elements, like first the static text, which will be the value 1, and then the added text, so user can enter the value there. Set the orientation to row. Now we need to add some our first like static text value, but first I'm adding some comments to understand the script. So this is my UI, like the main window. And remember, whatever you put after the double slashes, the script will not read this, but you can use this for your information. Title text and group for value 1, group for value 1, and now we need to like value for value 1 elements. Taking the variable value 1 for the title, like value 1 title text, so I am renaming this as value 1t, and this time adding this to a group. so this will be in the group instead of the user interface window. So group 1 dot static text, and taking the value 1 t variable dot text, which is equal to, in double quotes, in string format we are taking this as a value 1 and close. Taking variable value 1 and this time edit text. Taking this line, copy here, and this time the element type change to the edit text, and taking the variable of this edit text like value 1 e dot text, and the text is equal to something like 0. So I think we're gonna first check the script is working for us or not. You can use a shortcut key, like as you can see, Ctrl Alt Shift D, or run from the recent. So our element is added, value 1 and 0, as you can see. Now go to the script and we are good to go and add some element, and now we need to just increase the width of this value 1 edit text, so we can add more values for more than one character or one numeric value. So value 1 e dot preferred size, and then width dot width, and the width is 40 something, like 40 is good for me. Now check. Yes, we are good to go. So come back to the script, and we are copying this value 1 and also the group of this to, and then we copy after this group 1 and change everything where is value 1 or group 1 to group 2, and value 1 to 2, and value 2 t, like title, value 2 edit text, value 2 edit text, value 2, and also the group, and here value 2 group 2, and we are good to go. And save this and then run and check our second element as it. Yes, we have successfully added. So now we need to add one time more, like total value, and instead of this I think I should copy the group, and so I copy the group value 1 and paste here under the value 2 elements, and change everything from where is value 2 or its element to total, I guess group total, and change it here. Avoid any spaces between the period. value to means total, value to, and remove the 1 from it, and value to edit text, copy this variable and paste. Also paste here and change the width to 50, and also the value t total group, change the group, and the value, instead of value, edit text to total, and change the group also to total, group total, and value total elements, we don't need the element, and I think we are good to go. So make some space, and I am removing some space for too easy, because I added some comments for understanding. So let's run the script. So we have our value 1, value 2, and total also. If I enter some value, it does nothing because we didn't add a functionality and program this script. So now it's part to program this script and add some functionality. So after the script design, double quote functions or functionality, and we are taking our value to text, copy. So we are taking this variable value to t, and dot, like dot on change, on changing, like changing in real time, which is equal to value to t on change. If the real time doesn't work, then the user change the value, then do this, which is equal to the function, and open bracket and curly bracket close, and in these two bracket add your program or add your method. So if the user changes something in value 2 dot t text, then I'm taking the variable value 1, because we are calculating these two edit text values, so we need to first convert into the floating value, parse float, and what you are converting, this edit text value. So copy this and paste with dot text. So whatever in this it will change, and copy this line, variable value 1 is equal to parse float value 1 dot e, and paste it, and this time 1 change to 2 and variable to 2. Now we need to take this total value dot text 2, which is equal to value 1 plus, you can add any multiplication or calculation sign, and now we are good to go. on changing will change into real time, and let's go down a little bit and copying this function and paste here also. This time value 2 to 1, and the second one is value 2. So we have added the functionality to both value the edit boxes. The on changing will change into real time, and on change when the user is changed the value. Value 1 will convert the floating into the floating value, and value 2 also, and then calculate these two variables, value 1 and 2, and the same is this value 2 text. So save this and run it, and if I enter some value 8, oh, our script is not working. I think we missed something, but what is it? Let's check. check where we mistake, where we did something. Oh, this we take the static text value. We need to change to the edit text values variable to e value t e. So save this. Save this, and as you can see, we need to take these variables, the edit text variables, and we first take by mistakenly. So this time run and it will be working. So 2, as you can see, the value 2 appear, and 7, the 9 appears. 70, as you can see, 78, and if I change the sign, the calculation will be changed. As you can see, Control S and run it again, and the value 1 will be subtract from value 2. 8, 2, no, yes, 2, 6, as you can see. So I hope you enjoyed and learned something new, and the script is in the description for download, and you can practice at your own. And I hope you learned something new, and subscribe, like and share and comment. I think someone find this script useful or this method. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.